Hello Minglaba and welcome back everybody. Today we're cooking a Burmese pork curry with tamarind. Burmese curries are generally less spicy than its Thai neighbour and come in a delicious thick gravy thanks to a cooking method called pyan. Pyan literally means oil returns because curries are cooked long enough until most of the water has evaporated away and the oil floats on top. The addition of tamarind gives this dish a unique and savoury flavour. Are you ready to cook? Okay, let's go! The first thing to do is to make the tamarind water. Simply break off a generous piece from the block and add some boiling water and let it stand for 10 minutes. Next, we're going to prepare the base for the gravy. The three essential ingredients, that's the backbone to all Burmese curries, are garlic, ginger and onion. Place these three ingredients into your favorite blender along with a splash of water and blend. Heat up about 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil in a pan. Add the blended onion mixture into the pan and fry gently for about 15 minutes. The cut of pork that I'm using is pork fillet because it's not too fatty. About half a kilo is enough for 2 to 3 people. Cut the pork into generous sized chunks and add in the spices. The spices that we're going to use are half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of Paprika, and half a teaspoon of Turmeric. Mix the spices into the meat. No need to let it stand because we can cook it straight away. Add the pork into the pan and fry it with the onions. Add about a teaspoon of fermented fish paste and blend in. Cook the pork until it's no longer pink and then add in the tamarind water through a sieve. Cover the pan with a lid and cook on low heat for about 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, the curry is ready. Most of the liquid should have evaporated away and the meat will be nice and tender. Eat this dish with some freshly boiled rice. Thanks for watching everybody. The ingredients are in the description. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and see you next time.